Hello everyone. Today, let us learn about bigger numbers. What are bigger numbers? We understand that something from the title itself, from the title bigger numbers, we understand that something is we are gonna learn something which is big, right? So, we are gonna learn numbers which are big. So, until your previous classes, you have just learned two-digit numbers and three-digit numbers. But today we will be learning about four-digit numbers. So now have a quick glance at what we are going to learn in this chapter. In this chapter, we are going to learn what are bigger numbers, 100 table, comparing bigger numbers, expanding numbers, and addition and subtraction of bigger numbers. Are you ready? So now let us start learning about bigger numbers. So have a glance at the screen. Here are few examples of bigger numbers. So are you feeling difficult to read these numbers? I will help you facing this difficulty. So let us read this value together. It is 2340. And second example is 1234. And third example is 8976. So now let us learn how to read numbers. Okay. So here you can see few examples. Come on, read with me. So let's read together now. Okay. Next example is 1234. And the last example is 9876. Hope it is easy for you now to read the numbers. So let us proceed to the next topic, 100 table. So on the screen which you are seeing, 100 table is displayed, right? If we take any number, let us take 55. So if we add 10 to 55, we get 65. If we subtract 10 from 55, we get 45. And if we add 1 to 55, we get its adjacent number 56. And if we subtract 1 from 55, we get 54. And if we add 11 to 55, then we get 66. And if we add 9 to 55, we get 64. And if we subtract 11 from 55, we get 54. And if we subtract 9 from 55, we get 46. Right? So, is it confusing in this table? Let us look at 55 separately. So, here is your 100 from the 100 table. I have taken out 55 separately and its surrounding numbers. So now it is easy to understand. So let us imagine what happens now. So 55 minus 10 is 45, right? And 55 plus 10 is 65. And 55 plus 1 is 56. and 55 minus 1 is 44. So first we have to mark 4 corners like this. So now what is the relation between 55 and 46? So minus 10 minus 1, it is minus 11. Okay, so and what is the relation between 45 and 55? Minus 10 plus 1, it is minus 9, right? So what is the relation between 55 and 66? It is plus 11. And what is the relationship between 55 and 64? It is plus 9. There is nothing much in this table. Minus 9, minus 10, minus 11, plus 9, plus 10 and plus 11, and here a plus 1 and here a minus 1. That's it. So it is as simple as that. So now try few numbers on your own using the concept of 100 table. Remember, right? Just minus 10, minus 9, minus 11, plus 9, plus 10, plus 11, and minus 1 and plus 1. Arrange these numbers around the given number. So try these numbers which are given for you as homework on your own when you are free. So now let us proceed to our next concept, comparing bigger numbers. So what is comparison? So comparison is nothing but differentiating between two quantities. What is it? Differentiating two similar quantities. Right? Do you agree with my statement? Are you doubtful? Okay. I will help you in agreeing with my statement. Okay. So differentiating means finding out differences. Clear? So two similar quantities. So why did you think that I use this term, two similar quantities? I will help you by giving an example. Two similar quantities. So if you want to compare heights of anything, you compare among yourself, right? Suppose you compare heights of you and your brother or you and your mother, right? So can you compare heights of you and dog or you or cat? No, right? Or when we use a weighing machine, we compare the weights of one apple and other apple, but do we compare weights of an apple and orange? No, right? We just compare things among similar quantities. Okay, like rice and rice, apple and apple, banana and banana, orange and orange, and numbers. Alright, so comparison is nothing but differentiating two similar quantities. Okay, finding differences between two similar quantities. Note, we cannot compare accurately among two dissimilar quantities. Hope you got my point, right? So let's learn comparing numbers now. Alright, so how to compare two numbers? So first start comparing from thousands place, the highest place. Which is greater, 2 or 7? Obviously 7 is greater than 2, right? 7 is greater than 2. So what symbol do we put here now? What symbol do we use? So we use 7809 is greater than 2387. So we use this symbol in comparing these two numbers, right? First, again I'm saying you, first start comparing from highest place. This is the trick. Okay, start comparing from highest place. Always start comparing from highest place. So here is the trick for you. So here is a trick for you. Always start comparing numbers from the highest place. So if you understand this one statement correctly, then I assure you that you are clear in this concept of comparing two numbers. Okay, so I will give you another example. So now have a look at second example. So let us use this trick. Always start from comparing numbers from the highest place. Okay, shall we use this trick now? Shall we? Alright. So here the highest place is thousands place, and here is 9 and 9. Oh my god, they both are same. So now what we should do? Okay, so when two numbers in highest position are same, we should compare the numbers of next highest position. So this is ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands, right? So what is after thousands? It is hundreds place, right? So now as thousands place number is both the numbers, thousands place is having same number. Let us go to the next place, 100. So let us go to the next place, which is hundreds place. So here it is 8 and here it is 7, right? It is 7. So we always say that 8 is greater than 7, right? 8 is always greater than 7, right? So now what symbol do we insert here? What symbol do we insert here now? We insert this greater than symbol here. Alright? We insert a greater than symbol here. We insert a greater than symbol here. 9876 is greater than 9776. So let us see more examples now. So now have a look at third example. In third example, thousands place is same, hundreds place is same, and tens place is also same, but you have difference in ones place. Any difference makes so much difference, right? So here we shall compare 8 and 5. So 8 is greater than 5, right? 8 is greater than 5. All of us know that. So here now we shall compare 8 and 5. And we find that 8 is greater than 5, and now what we shall conclude in this example, 7708 is greater than 7775, right? So here the appropriate symbol is greater than. So now let us look at another example. Now have a look at fourth example. So starting from the highest place, using the trick always start comparing numbers from the highest place. Let us start from thousandth place again. 1 and 1, they are equal. Okay, now let us see hundreds place. 2 and 2 are equal. Okay, now let us see tens place. 3 and 3 are equal, and now let us see ones place finally. 4 and 4 are again equal. So what to do now? There's nothing to do now. Just insert equal to symbol between these two. Alright? These both values are equal to each other. Alright? These both values are equal to each other. So the appropriate symbol used here is equal to. Alright? So what symbols we have learned today? Let us recapitulate what symbols we have learned today for comparing. So if you recapitulate, we have learned about 3 symbols in the above examples, right? So are they looking similar to these? Aren't they? Yes, they are looking to similar to these. And this symbol is termed as greater than symbol. Okay, it is like a crocodile mouth, right? Yes. Okay, and this symbol is called as less than, and we use this symbol to say whether a number is less than this, and this is equal to. From the name itself we can say that we use it when two quantities are equal, right? You can see in example 4, right? And you can see the usage of less than symbol in example 1, right? Can you compare now? Can you compare numbers now? Okay, alright, got the confidence? So now homework is on your screen. Please note down the homework and try it on your own to get the confidence that you have understood the concept of comparing numbers. So put the appropriate symbols. Okay, fill in the blanks with appropriate symbols. Okay, you want me to write the title? Alright. Fill in the blanks with suitable symbol. So there are 3 symbols used. greater than, less than, or equal to. Got the homework? So please note the homework. Fill in the blanks with suitable symbol, greater than or less than or equal to. Okay, I have just given you four terms for the homework. Please complete the work. Thank you, and let us meet in the next video. Please like, share and subscribe the video for more updates. Thank you. Let us see addition, subtraction and expanding numbers in next video. Please like, share and subscribe for getting the next video in your updates. Thank you and bye bye.